Well, hello, YouTube. It's Mrs. Moncrief here. I'm going to vacuum in one bedroom today. I've been gone for a minute, but now I'm back with the jump off. So enjoy the suction. Let's start over here and stuff. Oh my God. Put a light on the subject. feet. I'm gonna go ahead and move the cord now. I'm gonna go 2 feet and it's gonna be out of it. I do have a quick PSA. I've been enjoying a lot of the videos that I've been watching, but I do want to caution some of you for those that are picking up vacuums by the dumpster. Now, y'all know I work in property management. So please check your vacuums thoroughly. You don't want to bring home pests like mites and bed bugs, and I'm working it today, into your homes because you're going to have to burn it down. Just burn it down and start over if you bring those in there. So if you're going to pick up vacuums by the dumpster, I just caution you to make sure you check the vacuum. Make sure it's clear of any pest. All right, back to the regularly scheduled programming. children, let's see what we got here. It didn't seem too dirty. However, you never can be so sure. You can never be so sure. Gee whiz, kid. Shout out to all the people that like to vacuum. I've been seeing a lot of videos where people are ashamed to come out and let their families know that they like to vacuum. Vacuum needs to be done, people. If the carpet's dirty, someone has to do it. And the Lord put us here to make sure that we do it. So what? We like to dump it out and vacuum it back up. That's our prerogative. Y'all not vacuuming, so what y'all worried about it for? Keep on vacuuming, children. Don't let nobody stop you from doing that. Jesus, well. All right, let's get this up. Speaking of which, all right. For the OG vacuum, it sure does what it needs to do. And it only costs, what, $40, $50? We're going to do that one time for the people that are ashamed to vacuum. Let them know it's okay. Show the world who you are. Lord have mercy. This is so nasty. God bless it. Oh, dang it. Look at this. This is just... God bless. Okay, don't worry. No one panic. I know I don't do these often. I just want everybody to know that it's okay. It's okay to be who you are. And this is who we are. All right, let's see what we can do here. All right, children, that's 15 minutes of vacuuming. That's all the big list tests and big ducks I can do today. I hope y'all enjoy the suction. See you next time.